Do you know that there is a lot of money on YouTube that you can make? Yes, there is a lot of money on this YouTube platform. There is money here, and YouTube is paying content creators, and they will continue to pay content creators, and they are still paying content creators. The only thing for you is, what do I need to do to get this money? And let me tell you something, you are not just getting this money from only YouTube paycheck. That is where a lot of people are getting it wrong. You are also going to get this money from sponsorship ads. You are also going to get this money from classes if you are running classes like me. You are also going to get this money from putting out some products out here and selling out yourself. You are also going to get YouTube paycheck. So like, there's a lot of money to be made on YouTube. And trust me, YouTube RPM and CPM is sweet. Like sweet. Like it is sweet because they give you the opportunity to express yourself. And aside expressing yourself, you make money from expressing yourself. So why in God's name can't you just film anything and upload? Yes. So why are you still waiting until you get that long form 8 minutes video, until you crack that your head and you make sure that you have a like strong? See, let me tell you, most videos that are doing well on YouTube are videos that most of the creators will tell you that they never expect that video to go viral. So those particular videos that you are expecting to go viral will not even go viral. Those videos that will go viral are those videos that you never put your mind on. So why are you just waiting for you to start filming videos like 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week? So why are you always complaining that you don't have time when there is a lot of time? There are a lot of things going out there that you can literally just talk about, and before you know it, those content might just blow up. Why are you always waiting for just one content creator to do this particular kind of video so that you can copy? There are lots and lots of content out there for you to make, even if it's 3 minutes, even if it's 2 minutes, even if it's 1 minute, even if it's 50 seconds video. Post something, make YouTube see that you are relevant, make YouTube see that you value them so that they can value you. You understand? Try to post something. Even if you are posting like 7 times in a week, nobody is holding you. Nobody is holding you to post. All you are doing is making yourself relevant out there. You understand? That is why sometimes you see me, I post once, sometimes I post twice, sometimes I post 3 times. You get my point? Just post something, just put out something there that at the end of the day you are going to get your wash hour. Just imagine you are a small YouTuber. You post one particular video, you get 1 view. You post another one, you get 3 views. You post another one, you get 2 views, and the rest of that. And you are posting like, let me just say 3 videos in a day, 5 videos in a day, 7 videos in a day, or 2 videos in a day. You are going to be getting more views than someone that is just posting videos once in a week. You are going to be getting more watch hour than someone that is just posting once in a week or once in a... You understand what I'm trying to say? So just post anything. There is a lot of money here, and I don't want to make this money alone. I want me and you to be making this particular money. I want whenever I come to review my paycheck here, who also is reviewing your own paycheck for me to see. That is my joy. That is what I want. Okay, so stop moving around. Stop always saying vibes for vibes, subscribe for subscribe. That is the only thing you say every day, 247. Or stop coming to my comment section to start crying, oh, I don't have subscribers, or 10 people subscribed to me yesterday and I'm just seeing 5 persons, I'm just seeing 6 persons. Put out content. See, if you are putting out content, all of those things that you are crying for in the comment section, you will not even cry about them. Trust me. Because all of those things that you are hammering on your mind, or you are feeling like YouTube is so difficult, you will not post anything. Gist of motherhood, story time, how to make this one, how to do this one, how you became more independent, how you started earning, how you did this one, anything that you know, your success story, how you failed your exam. Put it out here. People are here to watch you. Okay? And trust me, you see this same money, we are going to make it here on YouTube. And I hope this video is able to help someone. And if it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to say bye and see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.